student. Today we have to learn HTTP. HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol. This protocol can be use www like as World Wide Web. The HTTP protocol can be used to transfer the data from the plain text, hypertext, video, audio, and song. HTTP is a similar to FTP, like as a file transfer protocol. This is the one host to another host, mean machine to machine or server to server. The feature of HTTP, main thing of HTTP as connectionless protocols, media independent, stateless, means it has a main server part of HTTP. In web development programming, we have two three parts like as client side coding, server side coding, plus client plus server coding with combination of both sides. In client side coding, we have to use programming language like as Ajax, Flash, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, HTML5, CSS. It is a markup language. In server side coding we have to many thing of language like as ASP, PHP, Python, Java, .NET. Python is a very powerful or famous language of server coding and same as .NET language. In both server side or client coding language you can use Dart, Google Web Toolkit, OPA, TURS, like as many thing of our web development. In web development process we have to decide number of stages. First stage is decide the purpose, planning, designing, gather content, building, testing, upload to server, and marketing and maintenance. In main process is planning, building, and testing. This is our programming part. Upload to server, it is our maintenance part. Marketing and maintenance is our publication part. In these phases compulsorily you can use web development process stages. What is the skill required for understanding this language? Compulsorily you have to use understand the client server side scripting just like as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, VBScript, .NET language or other scripting language. This language is alone known to the our programmer. Then testing cross browse inconsistency. How to use browser and how to test the scripting language in our languages. Conducting observational user testing. Testing for complaints to specified standards such as accessibility standards in the client region. Programming interaction with JavaScript, PHP, and jQuery, etc. The number of types of website. You have to learn maintain types of website like as e-commerce, blogs and personal, informational, online communicative, photo sharing, resume, portfolio, catalog and browser, business directory and buy. We have to learn one by one. First thing, e-commerce. This website online shop where the people can order goods and make payment from the other comfort of their own homes. If you have any product to sell or like to enjoy the benefits of not having to run traditional shop with things off. Consider that this definite or forwarded. Here we have to use webcard.com like as Amazon. Second thing is blogs and personal. These websites have been favorite for families and people who wish to document the big occasion of their lives such as weddings, new babies or their travels like as birthday. These days modern alternative blogging has become an extremely popular. Blogs are usually updated frequently and older posts can be viewed through the archives. To create the blog, you can use website builder. It is a free of blog developers. Third is informational. These websites are particularly helpful people to know no longer have to visit libraries and take out books for basic information like as a Google. You can any question that's come to someone mind anywhere, softly fill and search the quickly. Google find the answer. A great deal of learn online and many people are now reaching and self-teaching with online tutorial which can be published in informational website. Next is online communicating. Communicative forms are the great way to get in touch and share ideas with people with the same interests or from similar background through the internet. This interactive feature can be main focus of the website. Just part of the visitors can discuss and what site is the about. Next is a photo sharing. These websites such as pixabay.com allow people to upload and download photos for free. You can share or paid your advertising photo sharing website or selling good quality high resolution images that people will want to purchase and commercial purpose. Next is resume. Much better than just listing your skill on paper. An interactive online resume showcases who you are, not just a qualification, but giving you more control over the first impression with prospective employer is the main thing of our employee development skills. Portfolio. It is like a biodata. Ideal for showing case your work. Everyone from landscape photographers to fashion models have the online portfolio this day to show off their talent to potential employers. In portfolio, you are write own information to publish net. Next, catalog or brochure. If you have the product or service that does not require payment online, then an online catalog or brochure will enable you to display what you have to offer the attractive potential clients. Spreading the word about business used to limited televisions, prints or radio. However, website gives a much wider reach. Online brochure are a great idea for dental surgery, hair salon, holiday destination and manufacture. This is the main thing of brochure. We have to ideas lot of things of peoples. Next, business directory. Instead of flipping through the pages of a massive phone directory to find services and businesses, in this day and age we use online directory website. They can be decided to a specific location, topic or industry. Directory website serves as a useful list of resources. Next and last, bio. Author and writer have their own website which include their biography or catalog of their works with reviews and comments as well as link to their social media, blog and place their publication and being sold online. This basically useful in the world of publishing and establishing a fan base. This is the important thing of bio. Now we have to next session use internet services. Thank you.